Welcome to my channel Schooling at Home. Today I am going to show you class 6 subject science. So here is the contents. Today I will show you chapter 2 components of food. So let's start. Nutrients. Components of food needed by our body are called nutrients. The major components of food are carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamins and minerals. In addition, these nutrient food also contain dietary fibers, roughage and water in it, which are needed by our body. Types of food on the basis of nutrients. Energy giving food, which gives us energy to do work. It contains carbohydrates and fat. Example: cereals, sugar, oil, ghee, butter. Next is bodybuilding food, which helps to grow our body. It contains proteins. Example: milk, cheese, pearls, egg, meat, chicken. Next, protective food. These foods protect our body from diseases. It contains vitamins, minerals. Example: vegetable, fruits. The presence of different nutrients can be identified by performing different tests. Test for presence of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are present in food in the form of starch. So we can test the presence of starch. 1. Take a small quantity of food. Number 2. Put 2-3 drops of iodine solution on it. Observation: it turns blue-black. Conclusion: it shows the presence of starch in the food. Test of presence of protein. 1. Take small quantity of food. 2. Grind it or mash it into a paste or powder. Number 3. Take these food in clean test tube. Next, 4. Add 10 drops of water and shake it. Number 5. Add 2 drops of solution of copper sulfate and 10 drops of solution of caustic soda. 6. Shake well and leave it for few minutes. Observation: the food turns violet. Conclusion: it indicates the presence of protein in food. Next test for presence of fat. Number 1. Take small quantity of food. Number 2. Wrap it in a piece of paper and crush it. Number 3. Strain the paper. Number 4. Hold the paper against light. Observation: oily patches appear on the paper. Conclusion: it shows the presence of fats in food. Next is function of different nutrients. Number 1. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates provide energy to do work. Sources: cereal, potato, sugar, rich food, sweet potato. Next is protein, needed for growth of our body. Sources: pulses, nut, cheese, egg, meat, fish. Next are fats. It gives more energy than carbohydrate sources: oil, ghee, butter, fried food. This is ghee, milk, butter, cream, egg, fish, meat. Number 4, vitamins protect our body against diseases. Number 2, helps in keeping our eye, teeth, bones healthy. Vitamins are of different types. Vitamin A keeps our skin and eyes healthy. Sources: carrot, papaya, fish, milk, etc. Next is vitamin B. Makes our muscles strong. Sources: sprouts, liver. Vitamin C helps to fight against many diseases. Sources: amla, citrus fruits, oranges, quinoa, मौसमी. Vitamin D helps our body to use calcium for bones and teeth. Sources: sunlight, fish, milk, egg, liver. Next are minerals. Iodine, example fish, gram, iodized salt. Phosphorus, milk, banana, beans, pulses. Iron, green leafy vegetables, apple, brinjal, liver. Calcium, milk and egg. Next, balanced diet. The diet which contains all nutrients needed by our body in a right amount is called balanced diet. The diet of a person depends on the amount of physical work done by him. Balanced diet includes sprouts, moong dal, Bengal gram, black chana. Number 2, fermented food, idli, dhokla, combination of flour, missi, roti, thepa, cereals and pulses. Be aware cooking of food. Take care that nutrients should not lost. Next, nutrients are lost due to number 1, washing of vegetables and fruit after peeling and cutting. Number 2, washing of pulses and rice many times result in loss of minerals. Number 3, overcooking of food. Number 4, cooking of food in excess water and throw away excess water after cooking result is loss of protein from the food. Number 5, vitamin C is easily destroyed by heating. Eating too much of rich food result is obesity, which leads to many diseases. Deficiency diseases. The diseases caused by the lack of a particular nutrient in our body are called deficiency diseases. Next is lack of protein causes. Lack of protein causes stunted growth, swelling of face, discoloration of hair, skin diseases, diarrhea. Lack of carbohydrate leads to weak and thin body. Next is components of food. Some diseases disorder caused by deficiency of vitamins and minerals. Here is a table of vitamins and minerals deficiency disease or it has few. This table is in the book also. First is vitamin A deficiency caused by this disease is loss of vision symptoms, poor vision, loss of vision in darkness, night, sometimes complete loss of vision. Next, vitamin B1 berry, weak muscles and very little energy to work. Vitamin C, scurvy, bleeding gums and wound take longer time to heal. Vitamin D, rickets, bones become soft and bent. Next, calcium, bones and tooth decay, weak bones, tooth decay. Iodine, goiter, symptoms are glands in the neck appear swollen, mental disability in children. Next, iron, disease, anemia, symptoms, weakness. Next is exercise. Question number 1. Name the major nutrient in our body. Answer. The major nutrient in our body are carbohydrates, fat, protein, vitamins and minerals. Number 2. Name the following. The nutrients which mainly give energy to our body. Carbohydrates. Number B. The nutrients that are needed for growth maintenance of our body. Answer. Protein. Number C. Vitamins are required for maintaining good eyesight. Answer. Vitamin A. Number D. A mineral that is required for keeping our bones healthy. Answer. Calcium. Name two food each rich in fat. Ghee, butter, starch, rice, potato. Dietary fibers, carrot, beetroot, cucumber. Protein, pulses, egg. Question number 4. Tick statements that are correct. A. E- Eating rice alone can fulfill nutrients requirement. False. D. Deficiency disease can be prevented by eating a balanced diet. True. Number C. Balanced diet for the body should contain variety of food items. False. Sorry, this is true. Next, number D. Meat alone is sufficient to provide all nutrients to our body. False. Fill in the blanks. A. Rickets is caused by deficiency of vitamin D. Deficiency of dash causes diseases known as dash. First is deficiency of vitamin D causes a disease known as beriberi. Number C. Deficiency of vitamin C causes a disease known as scurvy. Number D. Night blindness is caused due to deficiency of vitamin A in our body. So here our chapter ends. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. अगर आपको मेरा वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो प्लीज़ इसे लाइक सब्सक्राइब और शेयर कीजिए.